I gave 4 different AIs $200 each to invest, and what they picked was completely different. But halfway through this, I realized something weird. The AI that gave the best advice might actually make the least amount of money in this challenge. So here's exactly what I did. I gave each AI the exact same prompt. What stocks should I buy to make the most money? I had $200 to invest on Robinhood. The same question, same amount, and then I put my own real money on the line. So I started with ChatGPT, and this was the most straightforward. There's no questions, no back and forth, and just a clean answer. $100 into VU, $60 into NVIDIA, and $40 into Amazon or Microsoft. ChatGPT felt like a practical one. It was simple, balanced, and something most people would actually follow. Next up was Gemini, and this one took a slightly different approach. It split things into $100 into VOO, $50 into Palo Alto Networks, and $50 into Mercado Libre. Gemini felt more structured, like it was following a system and not just picking random stocks. Then I tried Grok, and this is where things started to get more aggressive. It went with $50 in NVIDIA, $50 Tesla, $50 Rivian, and $50 QQQ. Grok was easily the most aggressive. It's basically built a portfolio on what's hot right now. So at this point, I thought I already knew how this was going to go. Safe AI versus aggressive AI, it's pretty predictable. But then I tried Claude and everything changed. And this one completely caught me off guard. Instead of just giving me stocks, it started asking me questions, which none of the other AIs did. Things like, what's your risk tolerance? What's the time horizon? And it didn't even want to give me a straightforward answer with what stock to invest in. But eventually, after pestering it, it did give me $80 into VOO, $60 into Planeteer, $40 into TQQQ, and $20 just sitting in cash. And Claude felt the most responsible, like it cared more about managing risks than making money fast. These AIs aren't just picking stocks, they're following completely different strategies. So now it's not just about what AI is smartest, it's about which one you'd actually trust with your money. Because look at ChatGPT and Claude. The AI gave the most responsible textbook investing advice. Might actually lose this challenge because it wasn't trying to win big. It was trying not to lose. Now to be fair, that's how investing is supposed to work long term, but for this challenge, it rewards risk. Even though all 4 AIs were different, there were a few things they actually agreed upon. Almost all of them recommended some version of the S&P 500 ETF like VOO, so even the aggressive portfolio had a foundation in the overall market. And on top of that, most of them leaned heavily into tech, like NVIDIA showed up multiple times. So even though the strategies were different, they kept coming back to the same core ideas. But this is where it gets a little misleading. These aren't equal portfolios. Some of them are way more aggressive than others, so if one of them ends up winning, it might not be because it was smarter, it just might be because it took on more risk. And here's the problem. Most of this advice is great if you're investing thousands of dollars, but with $200, this game is completely different. So I went ahead and actually invested the $200 into each of these strategies, and now we're going to track them over time. Now I'm curious, which one of these would you actually follow with your own money? The safe one or the one that has more risk but a greater chance to win this challenge? Let me know down below in the comments. And also, I'll report back with a follow-up video with the results. By the way, YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy watching this video next.